Welcome back to the channel. What have we got ourselves into today? Today I have an old pair of Blundstone boots. These actually happen to be safety boots, steel toe, steel insole, and you can see the leather's a little worn. We're coming into the winter season. I'm going to try to waterproof this. Let's use a little simple product that everybody's forgotten about. This is the little product called Dubin that you rub on the oil-based leather to waterproof it. I'll read a little note what it says on the back here. Dubin is a heavy-duty waterproofing compound that conditions, preserves, and protects oil, tan, smooth leathers, ideal for local sporting equipment and rugged footwear, including work, hunting, and hiking boots. And there's a little short direction on how to use it, but this is how easy this is. It comes off on a little lid. You can see this. It almost looks like Vaseline in there. There is the little applicator here. We're going to put some on the applicator, and we're going to start off doing a little circular motions. It's as easy as just liberally rubbing it onto all the leather surfaces. And this little bit of protection you're going to give your favorite boots, it's going to make them last a lot longer. Now that I've got it on there, I've got an old little buff up rag that I'm going to use. Get it on all the seams. Now we're going to take a little look at the boots right here. What do you guys think? One of them is ready for the winter and the other one isn't. If you like what you saw, don't forget to press subscribe and like, and we'll see you next time.